Hi everyone, it's Tara. So I am back to share with you an altered paper bag that I created for my friend for her birthday, which is long overdue. I know I haven't been posting videos in a while, but I have been crafting, and this is just one of 3 things that I created, and I will share those in separate videos. But I've been working on these things since April. Her birthday was the end of May, and as you know, it's already July. So yeah, I'm super slow. Work keeps me extremely busy, so I don't have a lot of time for crafting, but I did want to share this with you and the other things so I can get this finally packed up and sent to her. So what I used was the Summer Fiesta paper from Michaels. It may or may not still be available, so I used the 6x6 and I used a piece of the 12x12 as well. I did buy the paper bag at Party City, and her favorite color is yellow, and this paper line is just perfect for, you know, birthday, I think. So I did make a shaker here using my normal way of making shakers with the clear bags and the sequins, and yeah, so I'll leave a link down below to one of my tutorials where I kind of show you guys how to do that. It does shake, but with the stuff inside it's having trouble shaking. I'll show you when I pull everything out. So I used this little flower here, came from that collection, the Summer Fiesta collection, and I just pulled off, it had like a wooden bead right there. I pulled that off and put a gem that coordinated. Added some, this is adhesive trim that I got from Michaels. Oh, I want to say maybe last year around Christmas time. Added some bling. This rickrack, this large rickrack, I think this came from Hobby Lobby, but I'm not exactly sure. So I used 2 strips of that right here, added some of that really pretty tulle trim that I believe came from Walmart. And so I edged everything, or all the papers, with the gold pen like I normally do, and that is this one right here, the Deco pen. And what else? Okay, so this chipboard piece is from the Pink Paisley Confetti Wishes collection. So that's that, and then on the back is kind of like where I'm gonna put my notes. So here I die cut out happy with some pink foil paper. This chipboard happy came from Michaels from last year. Again, I just added another chipboard piece, added some of that really pretty tulle trim. This chipboard and this one as well came from that Confetti Wishes line, and then I just added some bling down there, some more of that adhesive trim in gold, and then I die cut out a tag card. So here's what the bag looks like there. Yeah, so I die cut out the tag using that Elena Crafts tag die, which is right here. So I just folded my paper and then die cut out the tag so it doubles as like a card. Okay, so this sticker is from the collection, clear stickers, and those also. So I cut out another little tag where I'm going to write my message. And then here's a really pretty sequin bow from AliExpress. I kind of like it. It's like a neon bow. And then I added one of those really pretty bling pieces from Michaels. So that is that. And then on the inside, I have a few little goodies. So here I found this, I thought was really cute. It's just a mask. Added some tulle to the top there, and I got this from Party City, so I just thought it was cute and kind of went with the theme, so I added that in there. And then I made her some rosettes from the paper collection, and I glittered them up. I left them blank because I know that she likes to add her own centers. I did add some sequins to the bottom of the bag, made a little topper there. I created a bunch of these little words, kind of like the Ray Dunn font, and die cut them out with various dies that I have, made a cute little bow using the paper. And then what I did for, I did this on quite a few of them actually, but I used those, let me see if I can pull them one out. I used the postcard pads, these here, and I use them as a way to hold on to my little embellishments, and that way when she pulls the embellishments off, she can still use the postcard if she wants to. So yeah, so I did that. And then what else do I have in here? Okay, so I also shared with her some of the embellishments from the collection. So here's some of the stickers here, and then these are some more, these are the puffy stickers from the collection. I die cut out a topper and just embellished it with a paper rosette, a crepe paper rosette, and then another rosette. And I use my Tim Holtz rosette die for that. Again, just added a little sentiment using the Rae Dunn font and some die cuts. So I thought that came out really, really cute. So I just put those 3 things in there because I didn't want it to get too bulky. But here now you can see that it does shake. And so it says Fiesta like there's no mañana. Really, really cute. I love the sequin mix. I just love those colors together. Thought that came out really pretty. So yeah, so that is my project. I hope that she likes it, and I hope that you guys like it. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, you can leave them down below, and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. I always appreciate your comments. I love reading them. So yeah, also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.